Look at this guys. Dito ako dati. Nung bata pa kami, punta kami doon sa may bukid. Pero ngayon ang dali-dali nang pumunta. Noon ang layo-layo. Diyan. Diyan kami oh. Yan. Jilay din. Diyan kami diyan dati. Oh. There is a motor. There is the motor. That is, I think, is T2. Ha? Ayan guys, oh. Ha? Yan. Ito ang ano, tinatawag naming, what is this? No, it's not canal, this one. Tingnan nyo, may ano, ito yung gabi, tapos may pako. Uy, may pako. Desire, what pako? Anna! There is a pako, guys. May tamam ako na dyan. Ne. Check mo na what dyan. Ano dyan, pako? Magpako tayo, guys. Meron pala pako dito. Ah, you wait, mommy, because just finish my ano, clean the feet. Because just finished to clean my feet. Yan. There is pako, guys. Ganito ang kumuha ng pako. Kevin, be careful ha, have car. Here guys, nakakuha na ako ng pako. Sige Kevin. Ayam yan kakasuya. Yan, akit na kasi na. Kita mo, mamako na dyan eh. No, dyan na, utong na. Ate, desire kapi. Careful, mami, come, come. Come here now. Come here now, kapi. Come here now. Come now. This is the paku. Si Kevin. Si Kevin naman ko. Careful, mommy, ha? Hold. Hold it, mommy. Yes, Paco. Let's go.
There's a dragonfly.
Yes, come.
Look.
Ne. Where? Yes, it's a dragonfly. You like it here? Ada, go come. Come here. Ella. You see that this is the rice field, mommy. Yeah. This is how we make the rice. This is how they plant the rice here. Beware of. There is baka.
Mommy.
Hola. Hey. There is baka. You see?
I'm afraid.
Don't be. That's a baka. Careful, mommy. This is our rice field, guys. Now Kevin explore. Yes, agape.
Kevin, say hi to my. Hello. Hello.
Hi. Hello, gapi.
I think they're in the rest house.
Yes. This is our rice field, guys. Do you like it here?
Yes.
No?
How we go down now?
Here, guys. Andito kami sa may aning taniman ng palay. Rice field. Ayan. Doon kami naliligo before. Nagiinuman. Yan si Kevin na explore na siya. Go, mommy. Suke, gapi. Mm. Mm.